Hey there, Jonathan here. I'm one of the co-founders of Kahana, and in this video, I wanted to use the 3 minutes to show you how quick and easy Kahana makes it to turn your existing assets and knowledge into a recurring revenue stream. So this is the Kahana dashboard where you can access all of the hubs that you've either created or are contributing to. And I've already created this how to create an effective business plan hub, so let's dive in. What you see is a split screen interface where on the left hand side is where you can upload those assets, whether it's data, insights, best practices, web pages, PDFs, frameworks, etc., Google Drive assets, Notion pages that you've created or curated. And on the right hand side is where you can add notes to contextualize all of the information that you're uploading, whether it's creating welcome messages, providing instructions, etc. So I'm going to upload some assets that I've already created. And you'll see that you can create folders and move things into and out of folders and essentially create whatever structure you would like. But for the sake of brevity, I'm not going to have any folders. I will just organize these in numerical order. And then I'll go ahead and create a very quick welcome message. And of course, normally I would add in some headers and more instructions, but again, for the sake of brevity, I'll just do that. Then I will go ahead and add a contributor because I want to create this hub with Adam. So I'll invite him as an admin. He'll get an invitation to join, and then we'll be able to add to this hub together and build it asynchronously. Then all that's left to do is add a quick description, which I've already done here, a collection of all my knowledge on how to make a business plan. This will show up in the paywall that we're about to generate. So last step is to determine my price point. So just check the terms and conditions box. Let's say I want to make the price point $50, and I can choose to make it either one-time payment or monthly. I'll go with monthly, hit submit, and then boom, now I have a paywall that's generated for me. And when I share this with people, this is what they'll see. And now people can pay for access to this information. And that's pretty much it. Cheers.